Hi, it's Sarah here for Fusion Health, taking you through today's meditation class. So, begin by setting up your posture. You might need a couple of cushions, which you might want to grab off the lounge, or perhaps you might even be sitting on the bed, so you can use the pillows off the bed, and just use those to prop yourself up so that you're sitting in a cross-legged position. And use the pillows so that your hips are just higher than your knees. And this will help you to have a straight spine. If sitting cross-legged is not an option for you, you can always sit in a chair or even sit on the edge of the bed so that your feet are flat on the floor. So just choose your posture now, ensuring that you have a nice straight spine as if somebody was pulling you up from the crown of the head. And you can just start by doing a little shoulder roll now. And just starting to relax. Today's practice, we're going to be talking about mindfulness. This is going to ensure that you're able to cultivate more presence with yourself and with others. And with this increased level of presence, you'll notice that you actually increase your overall happiness. With a focused mind, a mindful mind, a calm mind, your happiness increases. So let's begin. In your meditation posture, just placing your hands in your lap, with your right hand on top of the left, and your thumbs touching. And when you're comfortable, you can close down the eyes. And start by taking a deep breath in through the nose, sighing it out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, sighing it out through the mouth. Just letting any of the stresses of the day float away. There's nowhere else you need to be, nowhere else you need to go. And just take one more of those breaths in your own time. Just noticing how your shoulders come away from your ears. And you're starting to relax. Alert, but relaxed. In this practice, we want an alert mind and a relaxed body. So bring your awareness now into your belly. And start to notice how your belly rises and falls with the breath. It expands as you take a breath in, and it contracts as you take a breath out. This normal, natural process is always happening. You're just becoming more mindful. Just becoming more aware. You're taking notice of this normal, natural process that is always happening in your body. And with your awareness in your body, you can start to ground down. Noticing where your legs are touching the cushions or the lounge or the chair that you're sitting in. And start to notice your hands in your lap. And just moving through the body, starting to notice how it feels. Just bringing your awareness into the body. Maybe notice how your shoulders are feeling. They're feeling a bit sore. Maybe notice how your neck is feeling. And just start to bring your attention now into the body. And as you move around the body, just allow your attention to settle on the breath. And just allow your attention to stop at the nose, where the nostrils are, where you can feel the breath coming in and going out of the nose. And just direct your attention now onto the breath. As it comes into the nose and as it goes out. Just doing a few cycles like this. Directing and redirecting the mind onto the breath. Just bringing all of your focused attention now onto this process, this rising and falling of the breath that's always taking place in your body. You're becoming more aware of it now, more mindful. Just a couple more cycles like this. Noticing the breath as it comes into the nose and as it goes out. And don't worry if your mind begins to wander. Just gently bring it back as soon as you notice it's wandered off. Don't worry about any thoughts that pop up or any feelings or body sensations. Just acknowledge them, acknowledge their presence, and come back to the breath. And after your next cycle of breath, I'm going to bring the awareness up to the top of your head. Just right at the top of your head, the top of your skull. Just bring your awareness there. See if you can feel that sensation at the top of your head. And then slowly move your awareness through the head. Noticing any sensations as you move your awareness down from the top of your head all the way down to your neck. Noticing all the parts of the face, the eyes and the nose, and the mouth, Moving your awareness now through the body, very slowly, just noticing any sensations. You might notice any prickling or tingling, or you might notice that you can't feel anything. That's okay too. Just keep bringing the attention back, moving it slowly down through the neck, down into the shoulders, down the arms, into the hands, into the fingertips. Just noticing any sensations that arise as you're moving through the body. We're becoming more mindful of these sensations in the body. Just observing them. No judgments, just observing. Moving through the back. Start at the top of the back. Moving down slowly, down the back. All the way down to the lower back. And then come up to the chest. Moving the awareness down through the chest, down through the abdomen. Just noticing any sensations that arise. Now moving through the trunk, down the legs. Just noticing any sensations that arise as you move your awareness through the body, through the legs, all the way down to the feet. And just notice whatever arises. And then we're going to start to move the awareness back up the body now. So start at the feet and slowly begin to scan the body, moving the awareness very slowly up through the lower parts of the legs and the knees and the thighs, the lower part of the trunk. Just very slowly moving your awareness around the body. Just noticing whatever there is to notice, whatever sensations arise. Moving the awareness up through the abdomen, up through the chest, all the way to the sternum, and then to the lower back, and the middle back, and the upper back. Noticing the hands, and the forearms, and the upper arms. Noticing the shoulders, the shoulder blades. Moving the awareness into the neck. And then finally, through the head, all the way from the chin, all the way up to the top of the head. And just settling your awareness again at the top of the head. And taking some deep breaths here. Just noticing how the whole body feels after you've just run your awareness through the whole body. You've become fully present to your whole body and all the sensations that are arising and passing away all the time. Just a couple more cycles of breath here. Thanks for joining me today in this Fusion Health meditation class. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.